got you. We got you, man. We got you. I don't know what it's gonna sound like, but hey, we're gonna see. You are really working hard. What you have?
Do what? Oh, working hard? I'm not working that hard. I'm just, I don't know. I'm just doing my thing that I normally do. This is either going to be the most awesome video, or don't be surprised if this video is never seen by the light of day, because it's just, yeah.
What are you breaking out there, man? Look at all this stuff. What do you got?
All the equipment.
He's doing it.
You know these people that are like, that are kind of like preppers, and they like have like, I have an aunt who's always basically had a massive stockpile of toilet paper. Because, I mean, just always, right? I'm kind of like the photography equivalent of that.
Gotta be prepared for anything.
Right, so I'm like, yes.
Yeah.
They didn't know where that was going. He was like, what?
Okay.
Toilet paper? What? Okay, so I want to just basically use one light, by the way, in case you're curious.
What is it?
The what?
What is that?
What is this? It looks familiar.
Yeah, I have one of those.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna just see what happens. I think I'm okay.
I was gonna say, I can carry something.
Yeah, I think I'm okay.
So where we going to?
We are
'Cause I'm gonna follow you.
a long trek, about 75 feet that direction.
We're going about 75 feet that way.
North.
Yeah, yes.
So you're gonna use flash photography today?
I'm gonna use a little bit of flash photography. Yes.
All right.
I have a shoot tomorrow where I actually will need all this crap. All right. So I guess we're still going. Kind of get things started. And if you get to the point where you're really cold, let me know, because I will probably be right there with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's see here.
Using the ambient light, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, so.
I like that you said ambient, you know?
Yes?
What's happening is I'm looking at the red, I'm looking at the green, I'm looking at the red. So that's what I'm kind of like, that's kind of what caught my eye, so to speak.
Yeah.
And then I like the fact that whenever I'm right here and I look way down there, there's just a long distance shot. Right, exactly. Really close up on things, so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so whenever I back up and then get close, then like, that just puts you there, just so she like makes you like three-dimensional and so pop. So that's what I'm doing. So we'll see. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see. Let me come over this way. Yeah, all the lights in the background look really cool forward. Okay, so first little photographs here. Too much, so I'm not shaking too much yet.
Nice.
So that's kind of the general idea behind this.
Okay.
Yeah,
We'll see how long I can last with just available lights, which is probably not going to be very long, but anyways.
Professional. She already knows.
No one has seen the photos yet, so I don't know.
Oh, you're gonna do the splits now.
It's just like the chef idea, you know. We bought the bread and stove, and all of a sudden,
Yeah.
way better than my microwave. Way better food.
They got the kick. That was the move.
Okay, basically, I'm going to switch this moment in, so I don't have to be like too far away. Then I'll come back right here, maybe, and this is basically Dre's photograph. You know, he's taking it by proxy because he noticed the kick. So it's like, okay, let's see. Can you believe that, Dre? I met someone back in the summer.
Oh,
they
man.
just photographed an entire wedding. And they forgot to put a memory card in the camera.
A wedding, too.
Hey, that's not a bad pose, actually. That's not bad.
Well, you know, I mean, it's
Okay.
not like you're doing it, so.
Thank you very much. Look at that. That's that smooth hip hop move right there. You got.
Oh, yeah.
Too smooth. Too smooth.
Yeah, on the way here, I was telling Dre about a time I went to the mall and saw a pregnant lady get tackled by the police.
Big difference for sure.
Definitely.
The world famous Pro Photo.
All right. Okay. The same thing. I don't want to hurt the plants, but I think that one might already be dead. So.
It's definitely
Got the big Pro Photo up there, so this picture should be the most beautiful picture in the world.
Oh my lord.
that's a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
For real.
Okay, so let's see here. So look back in my direction a bit. All right. At this present time.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So.
Crazy.
Yeah, so it looks way better now, as you can see, versus the available light. So
Yeah.
just have a little bit more direction to work with.
I
So
love it.
yeah. Now the past, like it's
Oh, be better, yeah.
that's probably better.
Yeah, it's better, yeah. And then that way.
I won't carry my chivalrous axe. But that's what's happening right there.
Nice. Yeah.
All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, this is cool. Okay.
More stuff.
Whoa.
Wow.
Somebody's 16th birthday.
Yeah.
Nice.
And the balloons wouldn't quite fill the car. Or something. Wow, I was just getting ready to tell you to do something like that. Kind of point your toes more. There you are.
What you got planned now?
I am still cold, so I'm not going to go get a big salt box.
I don't blame you.
So, but I also don't like what this beauty dish is giving me right now.
But you want that spread of that umbrella?
Yeah, so I'm going to do something different.
Okay.
That's quick. That looks different than that. All right. People get my name wrong surprisingly frequently. All right, Dre. So do me a favor. The wind is picked up, and
Yeah.
this right here
It's going to
is
blow.
gonna blow over. If you
Yeah,
don't
it's
hold it
probably,
down.
yeah, it's probably going to blow.
So if you could hold this for me.
Yeah, I can hold it.
You're like, okay, nice. Okay, that'll be $2,000.
It's going to do the splits.
Yeah. Let's do my
Yeah.
split thing again. All right. Cool.